on our way to another auction. There's a little red tower there, alright. There's lots of 2-cylinder John Deeres. June is going to be a busy month for auctions, and they keep getting better as the month progresses. So let's check it out and see what's here. We're going to do the best first. Good old Farmall M. This is a restored tractor. It's actually a pretty decent restoration, I see. Like 242,000 serial number, that's 1950s. 50, 51, somewhere in there. New tires all the way around. This is a nice Farmall M. Very nice M. They got a 60 amp. You see the hood's pulled over, so I think they must have an alternator under it, but in fact I'm sure it's got, yeah, it's 12 volts, I bet it's got an alternator, but still it's got hydraulics, it's got the valve. This is a nice Farmall M. Yeah, it's 1016T 1950 is what it is, late 1950. So there you go, a very, very, very nice Farmall M. If you want a Farmall M, this is a good one. Here's a Unstyled AR John Deere. Back tire really good. Front tire's probably okay. This front tire, yeah, that front tire's not the best. This back tire's got some checks in it, but it'll run. It's a nice straight tractor, needs an exhaust pipe, but it's a nice straight tractor. Of course, you need seat cushions on it. This one's got hydraulics on it. Need the pulley cover, but 280,000 serial number. This is like 1952 or something like that, 52 or 53. So there you go, John Deere AR. Maybe it's it's a fairly nice tractor, so could be for you. It's an AR, Unstyled AR. This is actually nice and straight tin work wise too. This fender's a little rough, the other one's good. So there's an Unstyled AR, might be for you. Yeah, it's 270,000 serial number. It's a later one, like this AR, the standard tread, the ARs, they didn't start styling them till later, so there you go, there's an AR for you. Another one. Here's an Oliver, looks like an 88. It has a standard 88. This is a nice straight tractor, actually. Very nice and straight. The rubber's not bad. The rubber's actually very good on it. It's all there, nice and straight, other than the engine sides. So there you go. If you're an Oliver guy, this could be for you. Here's a 4010 John Deere. Nice new front tire on the front. Back tire's got a few little checks, but those will run for a long time. 18434s on the back. The 4010 standard. Let's just see what we got for hours. Shows 3575 hours on it. I don't know if that's right or not. Yeah, this tire, you know, who knows if that's the original tire? I don't think so, but the fronts are new. Hood's a little dinged, all right, but it's a 4010, so there you go. Here's a Cat D6D. got an angled dozer with no tilts on it. Ooh, the dozer will need refacing. This looks like it's got about 26-inch pads on it. The power shifts will probably be a 4X series. Undercarriage, oh, the undercarriage actually is not that bad. Actually, well, bushings should probably be turned, but the segments aren't that bad. The link height's good. It's got a Carco F50 winch on the back. I wonder what they did there. It says Z4X. It should be just 4X 5349. That's interesting because our D6D, which I don't have on the channel yet, is 4X 5379, so they're very close. So there you go. This one they just straight piped that the muffler's gone. So there's a D6D for you. Here's a 2290 case. Big tractor, 20.838 on the back. The front rubber's cracked a bit. They're 16 ones, 14L 16 ones. Back tires are decent. They're down a bit, but they still have lots of life left in them. Inside, the interior looks decent. They put a Kenworth seat in, but the interior still looks decent. Like, looks fairly well taken care of to me. Got quad remotes. This tire is better than the one on the other side. They're both really good tires. This one's, I thought they were 20.8s, but this one's an 18.4 on this side. They must be 18.4 38. They wouldn't, yeah, they're 18.4 38. They wouldn't be putting a 20.8 on one side and an 18.4 on the other, so. And this front tire looks decent. So there you go, there's a case for you. Here's a 4450 John Deere. Back tires are getting down, but the front ones are really, they put new ones on the front, are fairly new. Front wheel assist. It's set up for duals. I don't know if they come with it or not, but it's set, and this one's got a 3-point hitch on the back. Yeah, just a drawbar, and it's a heavier 3-point hitch, like a Cat 4 probably. Let's check for hours. $4,744 hours. So there you go. Nice John Deere. Here's a 2294 case, and this does look like a good tractor. Looks like this is very well taken care of. It's got fairly new, very good Firestone 23-134, so they didn't skimp out on it. This guy, whoever had this, you can tell it's been well looked after. Like, doesn't need a little interior work, sure, but it looks good. 7,742 hours. This is a nice tractor. The guy who had this looked after it. got dual remotes on the back. 23 134s. Yeah, this is a nice tractor. It's obviously been shed since new, obviously. So there you go. Here's a John Deere M. So it's painted up, but it's rough. New tires on it. Needs tin on it. I think for the most part it's okay, but the hood and grill are not that good on it. Here's the drawbar of sorts. So there you go, little John Deere M. Here's a Massey Ferguson 130. Little 3-point hitch tractor again. It's got a drawbar too. Top link is on it. Nice and straight little guy. Got a little probably Perkins engine in it. This tire's decent on it. There you go. Here's a white 2-85 with an easy unloader. There again, front just 18 434 rears. This on just a 2-wheel drive. It's not a front wheel assist, but got 3 triple remotes on the back. Plus, I imagine there's remotes going to the front. I imagine it's hooked up to the front too. The tires are cracked a bit and down, but they'll run. Nice straight tractor. Somebody took care of it. Here's some red power right here. Here's a 656. 282 power, of course, diesel. This one's an older 656. It would have had the with the black face gauge, but yeah, this is one of the earlier 656s. Somebody put a heavier drawbar on than they originally had. They never had good drawbars. This has got a nice new tire on. The Allied loader. This got a single hydraulic, and then they put that on. I don't know what's with this 656, but there you go. There's a 656 and the Allied 600 loader on it. Here's a John Deere 720 diesel. Pup start, I believe. This tire needs attention. Nice straight tractor though. The fenders are pretty decent. Hydraulics on it, 1 remote. Yeah, front tires are okay, back ones need attention, but the 720 diesel, a nice straight one. I don't know if it runs or not, but there it is. Here's a Massey 1130. Well, loader odds rough. It looks like it's not enough loader for this tractor. The tractor itself isn't that bad though. The loader has been welded several times. Just get a heavier loader and put it on it. Got nice tires at 23 134s. Nice skins on it. So there you go, 1130 Massey. Here's a 7020 John Deere. It's got 20.834s on it all the way around. It looks like really good ones. Like they're older, they got some real light checks in them, but they have lots of life in them. Lots of life in them. Good rubber all the way around. So there you go, nice John Deere. It's got quad remotes at the back. It's got a heater, a Caterpillar heater out of it. 528.6 hours is what this one shows, but there again, who knows how accurate that is. The needle's way up there, so who knows how many hours it's got, but it's still a nice tractor. Here's a Versatile 836, nice tractor. Got an L10 Cummins. Brand new tires all the way around, all the inside tires are brand new. The duals are plenty good enough for duals all the way around. And check the inside out. Versatile designation 6 power shift. I don't see an analog hour meter, so I don't know what it's got for. Oh yeah, 5,040 hours. That's not bad. The interior is nice and clean on it too. 1985, it gives you the year. So this is 1985, this tractor. These are 18442s. Beautiful rubber on it. Quad remotes. Like those, you don't need as good of tires for duals, and you don't. And these are good. Like these will last somebody for years. Here's the case. 1070 with an easy unloader on it. Those loaders are built not that far from this auction site. 20.838. Oh, this one's got a 3-point on it too. That's a good thing. And the heavy drawbar. A lot of the, like I said, a lot of these tractors that came here didn't have the 3-point hitch on it. They're good years. There's some life in them. They're not the best, but there's some life in them. And 1116 fronts, it's a brand new. So if you want a good loader tractor, this could be for you. Here's a John Deere D. Hood's missing off it. Front end needs a bit of a straightening. Ooh, it's not covered. Exhaust is buggered up. It's a Unstyled D. See if it's loose. Yeah, it's loose. If it was me, I'd cover that though. But at least the engine's loose. You got something to work with there. It's an early Unstyled D. It's still a hand start one. Needs some TLC, but it's a John Deere D. There you go. This tire's good. The other side's not that great, but this one's good. So there you go. John Deere D. Here's a Minneapolis with a loader on it. Nice new tire on this side, or fairly new. Yeah, on both sides, 11.228. This is a little utility Minneapolis with a 3-point hitch on it. Front end loader. There you go. Here's a little Ferguson tractor. Got a nice new tire on this side and new front. 3-point hitch tractor, obviously, that they're built for. This tire's cracked a bit, but the tread's really good. It's an old Kelly Springfield, so there you go. There's a Ferguson for you. Here's a 4440 John Deere. Looks like a very nice one. Kept his rubber up good, that's for sure. Brand new tires on the back, that's worth a lot. 20.838s and 1116s. It's got a Leon blade on it. For 446.8, I assume that's been around once. But there again, the inside is good. I wouldn't be scared of it with 10,000 hours, I wouldn't. It looks well taken care of to me, and they obviously thought it was worth putting new tires on, so this one's got a 3-point hitch on it. Yeah, so there you go, nice tractor. Not a dent in it, it's very nice tractor. Here's a Versatile. This is Ford, but it's made by, Ford kind of bought Versatile for a while. Now Versatile's on its own. 24.532 duals. Got the good old Cummins engine, the 855. Front tires are real good front ones. NTA 855, 3¼ horsepower. So there you go. The back tires have wear on them, but they'll still, like this still has lots and lots of life. So there you go. Nice tractor. Here's a Deutz DX-130. Lots of weight to it. The grill's missing off it. These are air-cooled engines, I believe. Got 20.838 rears and look like 24-inch fronts. Hard checked a bit, but they'll still, well, these are checked. The other tire side's good though. So there you go, a Deutz tractor. 8450 John Deere. Tires aren't bad on it. The duals are cracked pretty good, but the inside tires are decent. And like I say, you never need that good of tires for duals, so they'll run for quite a while. Tires are not bad. So yeah, it's nice and straight like four-wheel drives off north, so there you go. Here's an Allis Chalmers B. It's got a sickle mower on it, looks like about 6 foot. Oh, we got the extra tire with it that comes with it. Yeah, this tire isn't good, but it's got a decent one with it. These are little tractor boat Farmall A size, maybe a little smaller. Front tires look fairly decent. So there you go. I don't care for the open exhaust pipe, that should be covered. Here's a Ford 8N. We've sure had our fair share of those this year. Somebody put alternator on it, which is common now. One wire alternators are really good. Your little 3-point hitch bar for the drawbar. So there you go, a little Ford tractor. Oh, look at the air cleaner they put on. They might have pulled this tractor. Wondering if they didn't. New tires on the front too, and good ones on the back. So there you go. You're a Ford man, this could be for you. Here's a Massey Harris 44. Got a loader on it. Good tires. They're weather checked a bit, but these are good tires. Like, they're nice, good tread on them, and I don't think they're gonna fall apart on you anytime soon. Got a battery in it, a fairly fresh one, so I've got it just starts and runs just fine. Front end maybe dinged a little bit, but they put a grill guard on, they protected it pretty good, so there you go. Here's a John Deere 8630. Not a bad looking tractor. Inside tire's good, the outside tire is so-so. It's good enough for a dual. Look like what? Either 18434s on it. All the way around. Back tires are down on this side. The back tires are down, but still run quite a while. Triple remotes. This one's cracked a bit, but that one's 23-130. Ah, I see. Got 21-3-130s on inside and 18-434 duals, so they must stand roughly the same height. This one's down a bit. The back insides are down a bit. The front inside tires are very good. So there you go. You want a John Deere 4-wheel drive? Here you go. 8N. This looks like a decent 8N. Front, this tire's not great, this front one, but the back ones are brand new. They're mismatched, but they're new. This one looks like a really good original tractor. I previewed lots of 8Ns, and I think this one might very well be the best one. In fact, I'm sure it's the best one. This tire is new on the front, and both the back ones are new. And it looks like the original gauges and everything. I think this is one of the best 8Ns. In fact, I'm sure it's the original. This is one of the best. Of all the 8Ns I've seen so far, this one's the best one. At least in my opinion. 4430 John Deere loader on it. 148 John Deere loader. New tires on the back. Good tires on the front. I'm not gonna go in and check for hours, drawbar only. Not gonna go in and check for hours because my GoPro is getting dead. But there's nice John Deere, so there you go. It was a very good sale. There's good stuff there. There's three international tractors anyways. I really like the Farmall M. That was a particularly nice one. Like, was that perfectly restored? No, it's not, but it's still a very nice one. It's one of the best M's you'll find. And of course, there's lots of other good stuff too, so God bless. See you in the next video.